Pakiramdam playing against your former team?
Siguro kanina medyo awkward yung pakiramdam. Nakita mo sila magkalaban. Pero nung pagkatapos na nagsimula na yung laro, syempre nasa Pure Foods na ako and then I have to play for them. Hindi ko beat Magnolia.
Napansin nga natin kanina, parang na-follow up mo pa nung na-shoot mo yung team, yung rebound.
Sabi ko nga, baka inisip nila, nagbibigay pa ang 2 points. Hindi mo na sinasadya. So,
Alright, thank you. Nico, mapunta naman tayo dito kay Mark Pingres. Anong pakiramdam that you're playing against your former team na alam naman natin madami kang nagawa for that team?
Well, hindi pa ako makapaniwala dahil noong una, akala ko pa nga nasa Pure Foods pa ako eh. Pero ganoon talaga ang buhay. Hindi mo masabi kung hanggang kailan ka ganun. Sabi ko na sa'yo kanina, di ba? Basta importante, tiwala mo sa sa Diyos, tapos dapat yung katawan mo kondisyon parate. Yun lang mo sabi mo.
Alright, thank you Mark. Back to you guys.
You can really tell the two gentlemen, this is a big move for them, big trade for them. And so far, Pingres and the Beverage Masters are ahead, 54-45 at the end of the first half of play. We'll be back with more dito sa PBA on a capital of Philippine basketball. The Araneta Coliseum Magnolia is on top by 9 points, 54-45, exhibiting a balanced offense against Pure Foods, parading a very talented import. Magandang gabi sa kanilang lahat. Nico Halili kasama si Jason Webb. Interesting contrast here. Pure Foods with a more electrifying import, but Magnolia, balanced attack, everybody contributing for their cause.
I think what we see here is really the development of the league in one case. Right now, you have one team that has played with an import for about the entire first half with unlimited height. On the other side, you have a team who's actually in the lead. Yung import nila, hindi man nakalaro. So you can see really the talent level of the locals can carry a team in this league, and especially if you have the talent level of a team like Magnolia.
Wait, but there's no questioning the talent level of the import of Pure Foods. That's Darius Rice. Undoubtedly a red-hot scorer, and he showed why in the first half of play.
Well, it was, nabanggit nga natin, ito si Darius Rice is a scorer. At unang tikada pa lang nito, tira kaagad from 3-point range. I would say he was 6'8". He's actually 6'10", can shoot from the outside. Ang tanong dyan, Miko, paano mo pa siya masusupalpal? He's shooting at the top of his jump. At ang tangkad-tangkad niya. So, almost every time when he's looking at that ring, no one is bothering him.
So Rice finished the first quarter with 18 points and 27 at the half, but Dondon Ontiveros was absolutely red hot off the bench.
And the bench scoring of Magnolia was the key in this game, and Dondon Ontiveros, he led that bench in scoring. He had 15 points. At para kay Dondon, he only missed twice from the field, and nung pumasok si Dondon, that's when the tempo of the game really changed in favor of Magnolia Beverage Masters.
And we're going to look at some more vital statistics from the first half of play as Ontiveros and the Beverage Masters lead a game by 9 big points, led by as many as 12 in the first half.
Well, this is what we're looking at, field goal percentage, almost the same, Miko. At ang nabanggit natin kanina, both teams really shooting at a high percentage from three-point country. But on one side, para sa Pure Foods, yung 6 na three-pointers na yon, 5 doon ay nanggaling, rather the 5 three-pointers para sa Pure Foods. At actually magkabaliktad yan. 5 para sa Pure Foods. His call came from Darius Rice. And points off turnovers, Magnolia doing a good share. At nabanggit nga natin, yung bench scoring really key para sa Magnolia, as even when their import went down, their bench dominated the bench of itong Pure Foods. Para naman sa leading scorers, Nico, there you have it, Darius Rice. He has those 27 points. Pero sumunod na dyan, James Yap with 8 and Enrico Villanueva with 6. And only 5 guys from the Pure Foods lineup actually scoring in that first half. On the flip side, Ontiveros, Siegel, and of course their new recruit Mark Pingres really giving that energy charge para sa Magnolia.
And so we'll see if Magnolia can build on this 9-point lead, or will Pure Foods bounce back with a vengeance in the second half. That was your Petron. XCS halftime reporting is
Na kami magkakapatid sa Pure Foods eh. Kung ano yung problema ng isa, problema namin lahat. Siyempre, namimiss ko rin sila, yung sa araw-araw na kulitan namin, ganun. Pero ganun talaga ang buhay. Alam ko magkakaibigan kami, pero pag sa game na, patuloyin muna lang yung pagkakaibigan. Trabaho muna, walang personalan.
Well, Pingres, getting used to being part of a new team after finding a home with Pure Foods, but here in Magnolia, still doing what he does best, and that is provide a lot of energy para sa kanyang kupunan. Kaya ito ang ating Revigon Forte, lakas na di umaayaw moment. At sa inyo ng Revigon Forte para sa lakas na di umaayaw. He's been doing that for the longest time for Pure Foods. Hasn't skipped a beat.
Of course, itong career ni Mark Pingris, really that was the turning point of his career after getting picked up in the draft by Air 21, then moving over to Pure Foods for almost, I believe, absolutely nothing. Just a transfer. At this is where his career blossomed. That Pure Foods fans really enjoyed watching ito si Mark Pingris. Ngayon naman, ang matutuwa na panoorin siya, itong mga Magnolia Beverage Masters fans.
So Pingris, he started the ball game para sa Magnolia, and he's starting the second half anew. Kasama si Mike Cortez, no? Bagong kasama rin dito sa Magnolia, along with the Dynamite Danny Siegel, Jamil Watkins, who is nursing 3 personal fouls, and veteran Chris Calagio. Here's Cortez. Calagio, specialty of the house. Not that time. Tipping by Watkins does not work. Pure Foods begins the third quarter with James Yap over to Roger Yap, along with Darius Rice, Enrico Villanueva, and Kirby Raimundo. Now Watkins sat out majority of the second quarter. So let's see what impact he might have here for Magnolia. And James Yap on the move. James Yap is fouled. And he scores.
Mark Pingris is quite used to seeing James Yap score on that layup habang teammate niya pa yan sa Pure Foods. Pero ngayon, hindi niya akalain right after just a month ago, sa kanya na ginagawa nito ni James Yap.
Rare miss from the line from James Yap. Here's Cortez. Saw an opening, and he scores against Villanueva.
Well, Mike Cortez, one of those few right-handed players that really finishes strong when he goes to the left side. If you give him one space to the left side, he's actually quicker going to his left than he is going to his right.
He can probably score in the left with his foot. Pero mukhang galing yan si Mike Cortez. Early moments of the third quarter. Magnolia on top, and here's Cortez with back-to-back baskets. And that's a TM3 for the Cool Cats.
Quickly, yung mga new recruits ng Magnolia really paying dividends in this first game. You have Mark Pingris already with 9 points and 3 rebounds, and Mike Cortez at 7 points, and the quarter back job that he's done so far has been splendid.
Here's Watkins. Oh, Watkins is Villanueva. Watkins says, never mind, you're shorter than me.
So is most guys, actually all the guys here. Tinignan ka nga, Miko, baka ikaw pa daw yung kasintangkad niya.
Yeah, but that's also something Enrico can provide. A lot of muscle, a lot of enforcing muscle, actually, para dito sa Pure Foods.
But you have to remember, the guy that he is replacing in that lineup also had a lot of enforcing muscle.
Of course, Enrico is with Pure Foods mainly because of the absence of Romel Aducan. And everybody in ABC Sports and the PBA family wish Romel speedy recovery. Meantime, here's Watkins! In that situation, no coach will even tell you to, take your chance.
The quick ball movement, you have a guy 6'10", running the floor and finishing the break, almost unstoppable.
Meantime, James Yap does it the hard way. Meron na siyang 12 puntos sa larong ito. With Watkins. And now Siegel. 10-point ball game in favor of Magnolia. With Siegel. Head shot is good.
That's the confidence of Danny Siegel. He has a guy 6'10", one-on-one